Uganda is among African countries that are adopting the public-private partnership (PPP) approach in the financing of mega infrastructural projects. PPP is a cooperative arrangement between two or more public and private sectors, typically of a long-term nature.
Our annual requirement for infrastructure development is close to 170 billion US dollars, but we can manage to raise 100 billion US dollars annually. The gap between our needs and what we can raise cannot certainly come from governments.
As we seek to develop infrastructure, we acknowledge the inadequacies of the traditional mode of infrastructure financing.
Although this financing tool looks rosy and probably the best approach in reducing the debt problem the country is currently grappling with, there is more than what catches the eye, warns Dr. Muhumuza, an economist.
The other part is mitigation of what we call macroeconomic risks. All these projects factor in an element of what will the dollar be. Because remember, I'm raising money in local shillings, but I'm paying my loans in dollars. How many of you can tell me what the dollar will be, the shilling and the dollar in 2030? Anybody with an idea? The oil itself is walking away. You see, now you're bringing all these things. But if I am investing in your road project today, and I expect to recover my money in the next 20 years, collecting Uganda shillings, converting them into dollars to pay back where I got the money, I need to have that certainty.
PPP is becoming a source of increasing concern, especially for the least developed economies.
So our governance is the problem. So before you get good governance, don't even venture into road projects. Rubowa, he said if it is built, and indeed if it is built, Rubowa is already an illegality. But the bigger problem with the hospital really function. We did function. It was built on the premise that government was spending $70 million on paying for people going abroad for treatment. Auditor General found it was $7 million per year, not 70. So already you are beginning from a wrong premise.
Public-private partnerships combine the skills and resources of both the public and private sectors through sharing of risks and responsibilities. This enables governments to benefit from the expertise of the sector and allows them to focus on policy, planning and regulation. Dennis Igoa for UBC News.